Yes, a quick reminder, God is still in the business of keeping to his promises. I need you to know today we are going to be looking at how to transform this welted sole into an amazing look. Now, if you already know this, it is not for you. But if you want to take your finishing to another level, this is exactly what you're going to be having after this transformation. I need you to know that this class is going to be taking a lot of patience, but yet I will make sure I do not forward anything or increase the speed. I want you to see the nitty-gritty of this process. Yes, my name is Odrole Mojibala, and I am your shoemaking made easy tutor. If I don't build your confidence, help you to reduce your family expenses on footwear, help you to build new stream of income, who will? I am so glad to do this, of course, in the season. So I need you to know that all you need to know is to take your time, get a cup of water or a cup of cold fruit juice and maybe a bowl of popcorn, and sit back to see how I will be taking you through the process of having a better, a more confident look on your footwear, especially those ones that are welted. If you are not in my channel, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. It's such a joy to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. I need you to do me a favor. I need you to sit back, and I am gonna be right back. All right, you're welcome back. Now, first of all, I welted the sole. The reason I did not go through that process again is because I already have a video on how you can actually welt your outer sole. So I actually use a shining face welt. Now, it doesn't matter, you can use a dull face. This was what I had, and that was the reason I used it. You can use any welt of your choice. I mean any color of your choice for this. It doesn't necessarily have to be black. So I want you to look at this. All I want to do in this video is for you to see how you will hold the outer sole, how you are going to bend your hands while you hold it. Those are the major things I want you to see. This is not about me talking. I may not be speaking much over this video, but I just want you to take your time to check. Each time I actually finish a side, I will show you to see what exactly it looks like. I need you to know, if you're looking for a channel to build your confidence, you are at the right place. I can guarantee that if you take your time to go through our channel, you will definitely grow your confidence, you will grow your skill, and your business as well as a whole will move to another level. So you can see the way I'm actually handling the cuff part. Don't just grind them. The way they are cuffing, that's the way you should allow the stone to actually, also finish them. Not that you just put it and make it straight, and at the end of the day it will not be looking cuff again. So I started with the side. I tried to finish all of the sides first before I went ahead and began to cuff them. So I need you to just keep watching, and please take note. This is not a video you want to watch once. This is an opportunity for you to be able to see consistently how to hold your sole. Now, I've done all of the edges, and now I'm just trying to show you what it looks like now after I've done that. So let's go to all of the cuffs that we had when we finish it. How will it look like? How was it achieved? You can see the way I'm actually trying to bend my hand and actually place on the stone. You can see that consistent movement. Please, nobody is actually chasing you, so do it one at a time. I find that it's not clear enough. I wasn't comfortable with the clarity of the video, so I was just trying to make sure that you see what I'm showing you. So that's why you see sometimes it looks like it's blurry and it's clear. Here you can see what this look like. See the difference between this place and that other side. No, now it's not compulsory that you do this, but when you want to give it a more sweeter finish, so much so that when somebody is holding it at the front, they will think it's an already made sew. That's the look I find out that this particular technique, that is the look it gives to your welted sole when you finish it. When somebody does not turn it to the back, they are not likely to guess it was actually a welted sole. They will think it was an already made. So I had to change the camera setting so that we can easily see what I'm doing. So I will proceed in actually doing all of this. So take your time. If you have any question in the comment section, feel free to ask me and I'll be there to respond to you. And I also need you to know that May 1st, our next shoemaking class will be starting. Is a 6 weeks intensive training, and of course we are going to be learning from sandals to palm to children's school shoes, to their half shoes, to of course their wedges and their heels. And it's going to be practically 6 weeks back to back. So the next batch is going to be starting May 1st. The class is $25. Is $20 rather. Is 25,000 naira. So you can use the number on the screen to send us a WhatsApp message, and then we will be glad to onboard you in the next batch. Thank you once again for watching me. Of course, it's going to be a smooth ride as you watch. See you. Sandpaper, that big one. Is it necessary? I can do that inside now.